Hey guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we would like to show you step by step how to make a ZAR withdrawal using ChainEX. First you'll need to sign into your ChainEX account, and you can do so by heading to chainex.io/login. Once you have signed in, navigate to the balance page. You can do this by clicking balances on the top of ChainEX. Do take note that there are two possible ways to make a ZAR withdrawal using ChainEX. You can click withdraw on the quick buy sell ZAR card on the top over here, which will navigate you to the ZAR withdrawal page. Or if you take a look over here, you can see a list of digital and fiat currencies listed on ChainEX. Over here, you can see ZAR. To navigate to the ZAR withdrawal page, you will need to click on this little icon over here, the Bitcoin with the arrow pointing up. So let's navigate to the ZAR withdrawal page. Remember, you can do so by either clicking the little icon over here or by clicking on withdrawal over here. If it is your first time making a ZAR withdrawal, you'll need to link your bank account to ChainEX. So let's do that first. Over here, select your local bank. Then enter your account number. Select your account type, is it a check account or a savings account? And then finally enter your branch code. Click on link account. If you are sure your details are correct, click yes on the confirmation pop-up. In the amount field, enter the amount of ZAR you would like to withdraw. Do take note that you do not exceed the daily limit you are restricted to. If you're not sure what your daily limit is, you can find it right over here. To receive the highest level of restriction, you would need to verify your account to Profile Verification Level 2. If you're not sure how to do this, please watch our video, How to Verify Your Account to Profile Verification Level 2. You can find the link to this video in the description. Next, the fee and net amount will be calculated for you. You will then need to enter your password. Do note that the password entered here is the same password used to sign into your ChainEX account. Over here, this is the bank account you wish to withdraw to. Click on Process Withdrawal. A withdrawal confirmation will pop up. If you're happy with the withdrawal, click Yes. Once you've clicked Yes, navigate to the email address associated with your ChainEX account. Over there, you will find a confirmation withdrawal email. In the email, click on Confirm Withdrawal. Once you have clicked on Confirm Withdrawal, your withdrawal will be pending and ready for processing. Please note that ChainEX processes the ZAR withdrawals Monday to Friday at 11 AM in the morning and again at 4 PM in the afternoon, and the cutoff times are 10 AM and 3 PM. Please make sure you place your withdrawals within those times, either before 10 AM or before 3 PM in order to get your ZAR withdrawals as soon as possible. There you go, how to make a ZAR withdrawal. Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it? Did you know you can get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friend signs up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you like this tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one. Bye!